20% home loan down payment looming over you, keeping you from buying that home you've always wanted? Well, no more. Today, there are lots of down payment options to purchase a home, and I'll walk you through them. Plus, I'll let you in on lesser-known grant money that's given to some home buyers. 20% down is the usual standard for getting a mortgage. So if you're shopping for a $500,000 home, you're going to have to save up a whopping $100,000. Oh no, back to renting from a landlord while trying to set aside money each month. Pass the ramen. No, check this out. Some lenders offer home loans with far less than 20% down. There are even home loan programs with zero down. Oh yes, it's true. Let's go through some actual examples. 3% down. Sound better? You can do a conventional loan with just 3% down instead of the usual 20%. Pretty cool, right? How is it possible? It's possible because your interest rate will be higher and you'll be paying an extra monthly fee for mortgage insurance. But those two downsides may be worth it if a 20% home loan down payment is too much of an obstacle. You'll be a lot closer to that home if you only have to save up 3%. There's another 3% home loan. It's called Home Possible. It's exclusively for people that make less than a certain amount. This income cap depends on where you live, but it's around $80,000 in many places. So if your income fits and you're okay with a slightly higher interest rate, a Home Possible loan could really help. It would mean saving up just $15,000 for the typical $500,000 home. It's a lot easier to save up $15,000 than $100,000, right? As with many home loans, you'll need at least a 620 credit score. But the good news is that even with such a small down payment, a Home Possible loan doesn't make you pay mortgage insurance. Now, bring out the party for zero down. Nada, nothing. If you're buying a home in a small town, you just get the loan without saving up anything, which probably means going in a home much sooner than you thought. How is this possible? Well, it's a rural home loan called USDA. It's a zero down home loan. Do you have to live on a farm? No. USDA loans can actually work in most small towns. There are other requirements too, such as income limits and eligibility requirements. Another zero down home loan option is a VA loan. If you're a veteran like me, VA loans offer zero down with just a 530 credit score, so this is a great option to consider. It's one more reason the big 20% doesn't have to scare you out of home ownership. A little known fact with a huge benefit for you: many lenders offer down payment assistance. What? That's money to help you buy a home. It varies by state and also comes and goes, so if it's not available in your area now, it may be in the future. But it's worth asking about. In Utah, some buyers have received $5,000 that they didn't have to pay back. Crazy, right? In Texas, Florida, Nevada, and other states, limited grants help people with their down payments by providing part of it for them. So ask your lender about grants and other home loan down payment assistance. I might have just scored you thousands of dollars towards your new home. You're welcome. So don't let the big 20% number scare you away from buying that house. Yes, 20% down is the standard, but today there are so many options available. Which one you can get depends on your situation, so contact a loan officer to find out.